Hi guys, it's Tuesday the 19th of September. Just a quick update. In this video you'll see a bit of traveling, probably a lot of traveling and maybe with a happy ending. Basically I decided to change my flight to a bit earlier and to surprise some friends at home, and also because the season's basically over and I need to get back on the mountain bike. I thought it's best if I get home a bit earlier. The bags are basically packed over there and that one just needs to get closed. Flying tomorrow evening and landing in Frankfurt and then flying to Johannesburg. That's about it. I mean, otherwise it's been really fantastic here. I can't say anything else at the moment. Good night and bye bye. Cheers mate, it's been wonderful. Last time in the team car with Alain on the way to the airport, and then it's just a few hours of wait and then on the way to Frankfurt.
Yes.
Sitting here in the airport, it's been a long wait and pretty soon I'm off.
Yes.
Columbia, this is Houston. One small step for my man. Last week for mankind. Columbia, this is Houston.
I just walked the whole way across the airport, just trying to untangle my earphones. Now going to the aeroplane to start boarding. See you guys later.
Yes. Yes.
Columbia, this is Houston. One small step for my man. Last week for mankind.
Yes.
Our boarding gate is the last boarding gate and we are running late because our flight landed late. So now we have to go through Frankfurt airport all the way. It is super far away and these walking things are also only so fast.
Have you switched off? Captain Flugheinz would like to thank you for traveling with Lufthansa Starlines today. We wish you a pleasant remaining day here in Johannesburg and a safe onward journey. Thank you and goodbye.
When love
Hi guys, as you can see I'm back home in South Africa. It's good to see my family, it's good to see my dogs, and all around just really good. I had a good flight and now it's just time to relax, get back on the bike and start riding again. Just one more thing, I forgot to mention to you guys that I'm racing the Cape Pioneer Trek, so that's one of the reasons why I'm not taking my break now from racing and from training. I will take that after the Cape Pioneer Trek, but now it's time to get back onto the mountain bike, get set up on it and have some fun out on the trails.
Like the soccer out and the rugby out. Stand up and jump. Yeah. We had a better option, yeah. We have a better place.
Ja.
Dan gaan we hem losgaan.
Hoi!